Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix voice to text is not working on iPhone. Now, first to proceed with this one, let's head over to the settings here. And in the settings, we're going to go ahead and look for general. And under general, you should be able to see here keyboard. So we're going to click on that. And then down below, you have to ensure that enable dictation is on. If this is off, say for example, I'm going to go ahead and do so. What usually happens is you are now disabling text to speech or voice to text rather. And I'm going to go ahead and enable this again. All right, now once it's done and still you don't see it working, I want you to go ahead and do step number 2. So I want you to go ahead and look for screen time here. We're going to go ahead and open this one. And then we're going to go ahead and look for content and privacy restrictions and go ahead and enable this one right here. Now, in the intelligence in Siri, you won't want to click that one. And then you have to enable Siri and dictation here. Now, once you've done those two and nothing worked, the last thing that you can do is this one right here. I want you to go ahead and look for Siri. Click this one right here. And then from here, what we're going to do is click talk to Siri. And then we're just going to enable this one. So I can go ahead and choose this two right here. Click continue. And basically from this point forward, I want you to follow the setup here. And once you're done, go ahead and try checking. So that's how you're going to fix voice to text if it's not working on your iPhone.